A convicted child molester and kidnapper who preyed on children in Sacramento was set to be released from jail last week. But now he's back behind bars facing new charges in Placer County.
ABC 10's Gabriel Porras is at the Placer County Courthouse where David Allen Funston was in court today.
It was a very brief appearance, only about 5 minutes in total. The scheduled arraignment and bail review were continued, meaning that he will stay in jail for now without bail. It comes as a relief to many in the community who feared what could happen if a convicted serial child molester were let out. In a Roseville courtroom Monday, a convicted serial child molester stood before a judge once again. At 64 years old, David Allen Funston is charged in Placer County with a count of lewd and lascivious acts with the child. According to court records, it allegedly happened in 1996 with a victim who prosecutors say was younger than the age of 10.
Obviously, we would have to have victim participation in a case like this. She has agreed and is willing.
Determined to seek justice like the many young victims before her, the case returns to a dark chapter from 1999. That's when Funston was convicted of kidnapping and sexually assaulting multiple children. Prosecutors said he targeted some of the most vulnerable. He was sentenced to over 20 years and 3 life terms in prison.
I'm always concerned that someone with these charges and this propensity and proclivity for committing these kinds of crimes would victimize someone else again.
And prosecutors feared Funston almost had the chance. In September, a board granted him parole under California's elderly parole program. The governor asked that board to review their decision, but the board upheld it.
I would have voted very differently. I would have denied parole and kept him in. That's where he belongs.
Yes, ma'am.
Just 24 hours before the convicted child molester was set to be released Thursday, Placer County prosecutors filed new charges. For now, he's being held without bail.
At the end of the day, is prosecuting this case the right thing to do to hold him accountable? The answer to that question is yes.
In Roseville, Gabriel Porras, ABC 10.